Good morning and happy Christmas Eve. Gonna be doing another ASMR shave video. I've got some stubble going on and it is super itchy through here. This is my Parker Safety Razor double edge adjustable razor. What I would recommend you do for a better shave is get a hot shower first, put your shave soap or cream on, use a fresh razor. I'm going to go ahead and soak my Parker Safety shave brush for about 30 seconds in hot water. Emperor shave soap from Pasteur Pharmacy. Naked Armor Scuttle lather bowl with water chamber to keep it hot. This is an antiseptic block. Get it wet and rub it on your skin and it'll help heal those little nicks. Shave oils and aftershaves are generally designed to help soothe your skin and help heal those little nicks. Sometimes that stinging you feel is the antiseptic. Emperor from Pasteur Pharmacy. Today's razor was the double edge Parker Safety Razor adjustable with hair guides. Very nice shave.